So I'm going to show you this today as if you're starting a row. It could be also a round depending on your application, and then I'll show you 2 in the middle of the row. You're going to chain 2 to begin, and you're going to put the first one here and the next one together to make them into one stitch. To do that, yarning over, going into the first one, and then yarning over, pulling it through, and keep those 3 loops on the hook. To do the next one, just wrap and going into the next stitch and pull through, and then you have all of these loops. There's a total of 5. So then you're gonna yarn over and pull through all 5 of those loops. So that was 2 half double crochets together. So let's put the next 2 together. So wrap and going into the next stitch, pull through and hold it. So wrap, going into the next stitch after that, pull through and hold it. You have 5 loops on the hook, yarning over, pulling it through all 5. So you're reducing 2 stitches to be 1 by using the half double crochet 2 together. So that's how you would do that stitch.